The flick of a switch brightens our world. The push of a button cools our surroundings. And the twist of a dial keeps us warm in winter. These modern conveniences make us comfortable, but at what cost?
Energy is only going to get more expensive, oil is only going to get more and more scarce, and the cost of energy is only going up. So I think as a society we're going to have to really think about how we operate more efficiently.
According to the Environmental Protection Agency, nearly 75% of the electricity generated in the U.S. comes from power plants that burn fossil fuels. Besides the high cost, these non-renewable energy sources pollute our world. But with PerkinElmer's illumination and sensor technologies, much progress is being made to conserve energy and protect the environment.
We've got a number of different products that are essential to enabling energy-conserving devices.
LED lighting is one of the most cost-effective means of using less energy, and it's used in places you might not think about. Taxiway and runway lights at major airports, and high-brightness LED-based obstruction lights used atop towers and high buildings, or in the operating room for optimum lighting during surgery.
The real advantage of LED technology is the long life and a low power consumption required to generate the light. It's approximately 60% more efficient than traditional incandescent lighting.
PerkinElmer optical sensor technology is another smart way to start saving.
You can use our technology in any system that needs to only be activated when you have individuals in the room.
This PerkinElmer technology is now built into many products, including lights, appliances, and HVAC systems, which cool off people and not empty spaces.
There's a leading Japanese manufacturer of smart air conditioners that utilize our technology to detect where you are in the room and to actually control the flow of air to your location, leaving the rest of the room at a higher temperature. And that can improve the energy efficiency of that system by up to 20 to even 40%.
The idea here is to not leave it to the individual to decide whether you control the energy, right? It's to kind of automate it.
In fact, according to a study conducted by UK-based ERA Technology, PerkinElmer's optical sensors saved 35 billion kilowatts of electricity and reduced carbon dioxide emissions by 22 million metric tons in a single year. This is the equivalent of carbon dioxide released by 2 medium-sized coal-fired power stations in Europe, and the equivalent of $8 billion in energy cost savings.
Energy conservation is incredibly important because we have one planet to live, work, raise our children, and we have to take actions now to preserve the planet we live on.
PerkinElmer's LED and optical sensor technologies, leading the way in energy conservation and cleaning up our environment for the better of all.